I did it. Oh my gosh. I think you were all sitting there in shock at the screens because, well, who expected this, right? Hey guys, my name is Samantha and I'm a trader in binary options. I'm going to tell you good news. I have a free Telegram channel where I share signals, so we can actually trade together. So if you are interested in this type of information, check the link in the description. So without further ado, let's start the video. I want to trade according to the trend. My favorite way of trading, I managed to earn the most in this way. The logic in this is simple. We see the trend, we see the latest trend moving down all the time. A small technical analysis. I do it visually, but sometimes I will draw you right here. There are all the tools for this here. The most important thing is to go on a trade on time, to go on a trade correctly, ideally for some kind of rollback. Here's the deal, I have now open for 1 minute. I just bet that there will be a rollback now, but it's not normal that it went up like this, given that we have a downtrend. So I confidently bet that the deal is open. Let's see. Return, oh my god, but here again you need to put on a downgrade. I put it down again. Well, nothing return is not a minus, it's not a plus, so there are some adjustments, overlaps. In any case, it was a rollback. I just let you down very much right now. Well, never mind, let's watch. Great plus, you can move on, but I could continue to trade on this currency pair. But again, come on, the more currency pairs, the different situations will be on each currency pair. It will be more interesting. So, well, what here we have? I see, if it looks like this, then it's moving up, but now we have a long turn going on. It has been moving down for half an hour. In such cases, I just go to the center and look. Basically, our chart moved down, then there was a reversal here, which suggests that we have something incomprehensible. That is, it's not up or down, it is green, but somehow it rolls back, then it was here, but it rolled back. From this we can conclude that this moment, this internal is a rollback, just half an hour. Well, approximately half an hour. Here comes to put here, not that it's very dangerous, but also untidy conditions. Let's just move on to the next currency pair. So, again, you need to watch the clock. Let's see what's going on here. Since the very beginning of the day, the chart has been going down, so it is still at the bottom. It has not returned to the original level, but here it is the last. It turns out, well, the last few days. Wait, yes, here on 15, it started moving up. We'll look at the minute one again. Well, there is a slight pullback, but objectively, the trend here is to increase. In such situations when I can't immediately identify something for myself, some hints of the chart, I don't trade at such moments. We still have a lot of currency pairs, a lot of options to trade, so why focus on one thing if you can go to another place, something interesting may appear somewhere, and in such cases you can already bet, not be afraid. So there is a sharp upward trend, yes, but that is it has actually already intensified. It was upward, but it has also increased significantly and a pullback immediately began. On the century, I think there will be something interesting now, so I'm interested for today. So for the 16th, we are looking. The 16th, it was moving down and turned up, moved down and turned up. Here we have something incomprehensible. We're 11.2, so it's normal that it goes down. We look at the center quickly, and then it goes down. Excellent. Then we analyze it again. Ideally, of course, it is to build price corridors, but there are situations you just can't have time. It will not be very favorable. So, but for a minute, this deal, and we don't really need a big corridor. That is, well, I imagine something like this in my head when I look at the charts. It's not very convenient here. For example, it doesn't go up. What we see from here is what the graph is. That's another thing. So I could scatter the lines. We don't break through the top. It doesn't break through the bottom. But every time I rolled back here, it rolled back. What does this situation give us at all? We now see that it can approach the border here. And in this case, it can either break through, thereby changing the trend, or jump off and go down. Now it is not the time to trade. We go further. You probably feel what a big difference it makes when they trade just by the indicator and when you can use some kind of light technical analysis, not some kind of complicated or now a second, let's get go of the though a little bit, just need to look urgently. That is, well, it's so easy to roll back here. Yeah, okay, so that's what I'm talking about. With indicators, we just search every few seconds. We're like bloodhounds. We're just trying to find a moment where the indicator would show something interesting. And often it can drag on for several hours and you will not put anything. With such a trade, you do it all faster, find it faster. You do not need to look for ideal moments for indicators. Just do a technical analysis. Look at time frames and bet. For the experienced, I'll say right away, I bet for 1 minute, so I have a big risk here. I understand all this perfectly. Just for the sake of the video, ideally not to trade like that. But it's interesting and I have this money, they are overclocking. I don't lose anything, so stop. Wait. Sometimes I will connect the indicator just to use, well, the same volumes, for example, to see 1, 2. For example, it bounced off from below. We look again and here we have it. Well, it's not a rollback yet, although it will be quite a risky deal if you put it here. You need to bet on an uptrend here. Okay, the deal is open, we're waiting. Well, it turned out to be a wonderful plus. Yeah, it was risky, but there are not particular favorable conditions here. Okay, then we go, we look. We are sharks, we have to find the victim. We don't know what schedule it will be, rollback, what up, then again. In general, it's going down, but no, it's not going down yet. How to understand whether the chart is going down or up? Catch the maximum straight which graph showed, and here, for example, I'll do it for you. Here we had the lowest shadow and it was yesterday at 7 p.m. Now this minimum is breaking through. Let's look quickly at another hour, a minute. And here we have the graph moving down, so we don't need it. Unfortunately, the candle is already quite big. I don't want to put it here. It's really dangerous. Don't put big candles on such candles. For example, yeah, maybe when the situation happens here, or maybe we'll find it now. I'm sure we'll find something. Well, let's say you missed this big candle. They put it at the beginning of this one and the deal closed here. And that could be a big problem for us. So what a good rollback we have. I want to put 2 down here. 2 deals have been opened. We wait. So well, we went into the minus. So how I got caught? Oh my gosh, of course. One refund. Oh, we have one refund, one minus. Ah, damn. It's a shame that was not clear. So let's look for something else. So an interesting situation. The U-turn here is so good. And I think you can put 2 deals to cover the previous minus, right? So let's make 2 deals, open for a downgrade, and we just have to wait for them to close. We have 3, 2, 1 seconds left. That's 2 more pluses. So we're in profit today, right? What do we have on deals? Well, it's not bad, not bad. We already received 2 refunds for today. 1, 2, 3, 4 transactions plus 1 minus, 2 returns, but not bad really. So it would be nice to put another one here, of course. It would be nice on a rollback. Now it is a great situation. We probably want... Well, yeah, let's look at some more currency pairs now. So, what do we have on situations in general? Is there something interesting? There's some kind of U-turn everywhere here. So let's see what we have here. Well, here we need to make these lines, so we'll add one more like this, and we'll lower it down a little bit so that it can be seen better. Okay, let's see. The first attempt, the second attempt. Everything does not lead to anything, and immediately we have a breakdown of this, yeah? Oh, I didn't have time. Well, I'll explain what to miss the moment. You will need it in any case. Look here. There is such a trend to breakouts if not happening. For example, once I tried to break through this level, and twice I tried. If you do it like this at all, come on. Yes, the same thing. It can't go up, so if it makes 2 attempts and can't go up, then the probability that it will go up, there is like 40%, 60% that it will go down now, which it did. The only reason I didn't put it here again is this rollback. In this situation, why didn't I put it? That is, it doesn't break through the bottom at the moment. Accordingly, it goes from level to level here. Nothing happens on the chart. Therefore, here it was necessary to put either after pin bars as here or not to put. Now we can go up again, break through, or maybe we won't do it. So there's such a situation, we'll miss it. Because it's better not to bet, yeah. There are many rollbacks, and as a result it moves up, so I want to see the hourly time frame. Oh yeah. So what do we have? Damn, actually moving up all the time. At the minute we have it moving up too slowly but surely. We're loaded actually now. To be more precise, what is it to be more precise? Our price corridor looks like this. For example, the chart moves like this horizontally. It does not move up, it doesn't move down, so we will leave it to. But the only thing we have is an attempt to break through. It constantly went beyond these boundaries, but it constantly rolled back down. If we bet now, what is the probability that it won't happen again, right? A small probability, so just move on. There are still a lot of currency pairs, so let's look for something else interesting. Maybe we'll find something. In general, I have plans today, of course, grandiose goals. It's at the end of this video, so I think you'll like what I'll do in the end, but will I like it? Will I succeed? I do not know. To be honest, what will happen today? We'll see. Maybe it will be the best video on my channel. 1, 2, no. No, it's going up again. the sentry needs to take a look down and up all the time. Okay. I'm betting on an increase, and let's watch. A great plus, but now we're definitely in a big plus, right? Yes, in a great plus. We lost 250 and earned a lot more. So now what I've been preparing from the very beginning of the video, I think you will like it. $2,000 each, 6 transactions per currency pair. Well, actually it's not that scary just because it's overclocking. The only thing is that if it's a minus, then I lose everything, and I could, of course, leave it. It's easy to withdraw, but I wonder if it will work. It will not work, or by the way, here is this currency pair. It gives its profits. 2 times it didn't go up, respectively went down, and now it broke through. And ideally, I would have a rollback here now. Here's a rollback, at least here, and we all just put 6 deals down. But this time does not happen. Now insulting it is. So I have been here for some time in currency pairs looking for some moments in order to enter into a deal. Something is missing all the time. I don't know, I'll try to find something now. Wait. Stop. Don't confuse the bottoms. Oh yeah, guys, it's getting hot. I think you can put a like for this video. 40 seconds. The reversal has begun. It is not clear at all, but we believe that it will go further up. There are already 30 seconds left. We're looking. Oh, I did it. Oh my gosh, I think you were all sitting there in shock at the screens because, well, who expected this, right? Who expected this? No one expected. But this can happen. I'll just freak out and do it like this. And what will you say? That I'm crazy, you say? Then welcome to the comments. Well, this was such a surprise in this video, right? It was interesting to me if it would work or if it wouldn't work. So, oh my gosh, how hard it was. How hard it was to find this deal. So much time has been spent to find this deal, but it was worth it. Yep. Guys, well, it's up to you. I think this video definitely deserves a like. So, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.